the members of the STEM profession, my friends, my colleagues, let me on behalf of APC River State welcome you to this segment of our meeting today with all the wards chairmen and the LGA chairman, and of course members of the State Working Committee and members of the State Executive Committee of the All Progressives Congress River State. I'm sure you would have watched us when we took head counts. The head counts must be together with the number of wards that they have in their LGAs. And so it's not about all comers. Nobody came here without being formally invited. And so in all the 23 local government areas, we may have lost 5 persons, and we got the report of why the 5 of them are not here. Okay, so on behalf of my colleagues who are here seated, we have to brief, or we have briefed our people, the world chairmen, who are actually those who are our immediate foot soldiers in the respective wars. We informed them of what happened in Abuja on the 22nd of May, where there was a gathering of the creme de la creme of politicians in Nigeria. Because at the end of that event, it was difficult for some of us to remember any other name who is in politics in Nigeria, who wasn't there. So we were privy to motions moved by the governors under the aegis of the progressive governors of Nigeria. We were privy to the motions moved by the National Assembly headed by the SP, that is Senate President, Senator, His Excellency Senator Godswill Akpabio, seconded again by the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Green Chambers. We also witnessed same motion, but in different tune, moved by the party. The APC in Nigeria said that this is their product they want to customize, and they moved the motion on the same line. And so we had thought that we cannot or could not have participated in that very expansive, very robust discussion in Abuja all alone. So we felt we should call our people to come and be part of what we saw in Abuja. So that's why you would have seen 319 world chairmen, 23 local government chairmen, and in fact all the ESCO members at the state level were all here gathered. It is the reason we gathered. The other, it was to inform them too that the party is at the verge of amending her constitution, and that they have thrown the doors and windows open for anyone member of a party who has memoranda or memorandum to submit to the chairman of that committee to so do. And so we didn't need to have this only us. We felt that the party at the level we are, this instruction was cascaded down. Finally, before my colleagues, one or two of my colleagues will speak, we had also agreed that the gale of defection is not restricted to River State. I hope you understand what I mean. Other LGs, other states were seeing gale of defections. And Rivers State will not be an exception. They were saying that for those of us who want to come and join us, populate the party, and join us to make sure that the president wins in 2027, and to make sure that APC governor is enthroned in 2027 in Government House, that they are very much welcome. We are very much receptive of anybody who wants to genuinely come to join us. I just made a phone the other time. I said, if you have a home and somebody has told you I want to enter, or the person itself didn't tell you, your doors and windows are open, and the person decides to come into your room from the window, how will you feel? And they said it's not possible. That anybody that does that is to be called an armed robber, a witch, or a wizard. So we have said to our people, allow anybody who wants to come and join us. But you must get clearance from us. We don't need a crowd whose intention is to come and destroy the party. APC have moved on from social club to a robust and formidable political party in Rivers State, ready for any action, anytime, any day. And so nobody will take us back to Siberia. We want to go back to Siberia. So it is the reason, or these are the reasons why we convened this meeting. The other one is the APC in Rivers State said, once this meeting was on, we didn't plan it, that they will also blaze the trail. That if all these people that we have told them were present and moved the motion in support of Mr. President, even from now till 2027 and all that, that they wouldn't like to be left out. And so our brother, the chairman of FALGA, called them the mayor, intends to move a motion, and one of us here will second, and that will be the end of it. Thank you.
My name is Sir Chief Ferdinand Ayawata. I am, by the grace of God, the LGA chairman of Port Harcourt City local government area. We APC here gathered, the State Working Committee of Rivers APC, the APC Rivers State Executive, which includes all the AGA chairmen from the 23 local government areas, and all the ward chairmen from the whole River State, in a meeting here today, having been properly briefed by our state chairman, and as the #1 state in Nigeria, we want to join the gathering of APC in Nigeria, which just happened at Asorok, where motions were moved endorsing our president to recontest or our sole candidate for 2027. Be that as it may, I, Sir Chief Ferdinand Ayawata, hereby move that we of Rivers APC hereby endorse the candidature of our President Ahmed Tinubu as our sole candidate for the election from 2027. I hereby move.
Chairman, for this very rare opportunity. I am Dr. Kelechi Muzi, the State Legal Advisor, APC. It is a very great honor to me to indeed second the motion by my eminent local government chairman of FALGA. It is not surprising considering what just happened at the National Summit on the 22nd of May 2025, where motions were being passed, and of course, vote of confidence in that regard. And also the adoption of our very excellently performing president, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Grand Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. On that note, I want to second with my full chest his adoption as the sole candidate for the 2027 presidential election. Thank you very much.
You have listened to the issues and the motion supported very heavily by the state legal advisor. And so by way of summary, is to say that this gathering has agreed to join forces with progressive individuals of Nigeria who had seen the handwork of Mr. President and has so felt that it has endeared him for support for 2027. That's one point we have raised. We have also raised the point that they are all going to, in their large numbers, also mobilize for the party, mobilize for Mr. President, and mobilize for this state going forward. We have a renewed hope family, and that renewed hope family is amphibious. That family is amphibious. We have the APC, we have the PDP, we have those who are not aligned. They are all in agreement that Mr. President should be given another opportunity, because in this case he passed the exam. So let us allow him go back. When you see a president who has no cabal around him, when you see a president who was self-sponsored, you of course should know that his interest will be for the people of Nigeria. And so we want to thank him for all the good things that he has done. We have enumerated just a few. We just enumerated just a few of what Mr. President has done. Please read up. You will find what Mr. President has done. And forget about the clamor of, oh, there's hunger. Yes, we agree. But the issue of hunger and the difficulties, in Nigeria, didn't start with him. Rome was not built in a day. He will repair all of that. And he has boasted that he will do so. So I want to thank my colleagues, thank my chairman of 319 wards. If you know about the terrain of River State, and you see that every one chairman came from those very difficult terrain, you will know that APC is taken so seriously. So thank you and God bless you.